In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give Salesforce support access. Let's get right into the steps so you can quickly enable support access for your team or organization. First things first, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Salesforce homepage. Now, our goal is to locate your profile, which is easy to find since it's situated in the top right corner of the page. When you look there, you'll spot your profile picture or avatar. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. This will take you to a hub where all your personal and account settings are organized and easily accessible. Now that you're in the Settings area, it's time to put the Quick Find box to good use. You'll see a search bar, and what you need to do is type the word "grant" into it. As you type, you'll notice that suggestions will begin to show up. The specific option we're looking for is Grant Account Login Access. When you see it in the list, click on it. At this point, you'll be on the Grant Account Login Access page. This page plays a crucial role as it allows you to provide access to Salesforce support. It's important to take a moment here and consider what granting login access means. Essentially, it allows Salesforce support representatives to log into your account to help resolve any issues you might be facing. So, before you proceed, ensure that you're comfortable and trust them with this level of access. On this page, you'll notice a drop-down menu associated with the access duration. This handy feature lets you specify how long you want Salesforce support to have access to your account. A good practice here is to only grant access for the period that you think is necessary. Take a moment to select an appropriate duration that aligns with your specific support needs. Once you've made your decision on the duration, you're all set to finalize the process. To wrap everything up, you'll need to click the Save button. This action will confirm your changes, and just like that, you've successfully granted Salesforce support access to your account. This can be an invaluable tool in quickly addressing any issues that might crop up. So well done on taking this step. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to grant Salesforce support access, all done within a few easy minutes. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and guides that make navigating Salesforce even smoother.